Woke up just on time, got half an hour to get ready for uni. Oh, I'm so tired, I just want to go back to sleep and miss another day. But I won't. Probably a bad idea. Hey guys, I'm ready. All dressed, got my makeup on. Now I'm just gonna make myself a cup of tea and like a little travel cup, and then I'll set off. I'm just putting my shoes on now to avoid wasting time. Still got a cold. How wonderful. I take my from yesterday actually. Thank you.
Please. Cajun chicken burrito there.
Thank you. Thanks. Hey guys, so I had a slice of toast for dinner. I tried to have a burrito, but it just kept falling through, so couldn't really eat it. I got 2 bites and I had to throw it away. So I had a slice of toast instead. When I got back, I'm currently drinking a cup of tea and I'm video chatting with Belinda.
Hi.
I'm also on Facebook, but I'm trying not. It's like snapped screen, you know, where it's like halfway down middle, but I can't show you because like I don't really want to show other people's Facebook names, you know, due to like privacy reasons and all that shit. So I want to go to the gym in a bit. Can't decide if to go yet or not. I'll have a think. Right guys, so this is my new stuff. For exercising, I can't decide if it's good enough. You know, can't decide if it suits me or not. But well, I'm sure I'll decide eventually. Let me know if you think this looks alright on me. Gonna go to the gym now. Do a bit of exercise, working out, be fine. Hey guys, so I've just got back from the gym. I've put all my clean clothes on there. Still got a bad cough. I've got changed into these for now because I didn't want to go food in my sweaty sports clothes. So I thought I'd get changed into these temporarily and to go food in. And yeah, I was considering going in my pyjamas, but then I thought, no, public in front of lots of people in your pyjamas is probably not the best idea in the world. So now I'm going to watch a bit of Netflix. Maybe repaint my nails because that one came off.
I saw her go, kids.
Okay, so I finished my food. It was beautiful. I got a millionaire shortbread for dessert, and I was going to save it for Belinda, but I'm so tempted to eat it. Right guys, so now I'm back. The clothes are still wet, so I'm just going to leave them overnight. I gave up. I'm just going to go in the shower now and get clean. Maybe sort the bed out because the things came off again. And then maybe watch loads of YouTube. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what I feel like. See you. Okay guys, so it's getting late, so I think it's probably best that I try and sleep. I did have a shower at some point and I watched loads of YouTube videos after, and I video chat below. I've made a new channel art, and that's uploaded. So I hope you guys like that. Comment below, just let me know if you like it. It's a Halloween themed one, so it's only going to be up for October. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.